In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Microsoft Teams. Whether you've recently changed your name or just want to update your display name for better recognition among your contacts, learning how to do this quickly and easily is super useful. You certainly want your display name to accurately represent you, and today we're going to ensure it does. To begin, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams, which you can access via the desktop application, the web, or the mobile app. It doesn't matter which platform you use. The process is nearly identical across all of them, so feel free to choose whichever one is most convenient for you right now. Once you have Microsoft Teams open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll find your profile picture. Give it a click, or a tap if you're using a device with a touchscreen. This should open up a drop-down menu or a new screen with several options relating to your profile. From those options, you're going to want to select Edit Profile. Take a moment here to absorb the various settings available to you. Teams offers several customization options that can improve your experience. Feel free to explore them later, but right now, let's stay focused on updating your name. In the profile editing options, you'll see a field labeled Name. This is where the magic happens. Go ahead and type in your new name. You can include first name, last name, or anything that best suits how you want to be identified in your team's interactions. Make sure to double check your spelling. You want everything to look perfect when you make this change. After you've entered your new name, there's a very important button you mustn't forget. Save. Simply click on Save to ensure your changes take effect. If you skip this step, your name won't be updated, so confirming the change is crucial. And that's it. Your updated name is now in place. This means that going forward, whenever you join a chat, participate in meetings, or get in touch with contacts on Teams, everyone will see your new name. It's a small update, but one that can have a big impact on your digital identity and how others interact with you. I hope you found this guide simple and straightforward, and that your experience changing your name goes smoothly. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out or look for additional resources specific to your device or platform. Thank you for watching.